Hey everyone, how are you guys doing today? I just wanted to start by saying a huge thank you for clicking on this video and a massive shout out to all my subscribers, whether you've been with me since day one or you literally just hit that button. I seriously appreciate you being here. Before we get moving, I want to acknowledge the traditional custodians of this land, the Gadigal people of the Eora Nation, and pay my respects to their elders past and present. This area is actually named after Barangaroo, a powerful Cammeraygal woman who was a leader here and had an incredible connection to these shores. It's a bit of a different contrast for me today. You guys know I mostly do city walks, but for this one, we are going bush, well, as bush as we can in the middle of a city. Today, it's a quick walk through an amazing feat of regeneration. We're doing a short walk in Barangaroo Reserve. It's pretty wild to think that about 15 years ago, this entire headland was just a flat concrete shipping terminal. The designer, Peter Walker, who actually did the 9/11 memorial in New York, basically decided to peel back all that concrete to bring back the original 1836 shoreline. The scale of the work is massive. There are about 10,000 giant sandstone blocks making up the walls and paths, and almost all of them were excavated from right here on site to create a huge cultural space underneath the park. They also put in over 75,000 native plants, using only species that were originally found in the Sydney Basin. It's been a huge environmental win, especially with native bee colonies being brought in to help the whole ecosystem thrive again. If you're enjoying the walk so far and want to see more of these hidden Sydney gems, definitely hit that like button and subscribe if you haven't already. It really helps the channel out and keeps these videos coming. Now, if you're thinking about coming down here yourself, the easiest way is definitely the metro. Just hop off at the Barangaroo station and you're basically right here. If you watched my prior video, you'll know I actually walked here from the rocks. It's a great stroll and there are a few really nice pubs along that way if you want to stop in for a drink or a bite before you hit the park. Once you arrive, if you want to skip the climb, there's an elevator right here that takes you straight up from the lower ground level to these top pathways. It's super handy if you're not feeling the stairs or if you've got a bike or a pram with you. It makes getting up to this bush experience in the middle of the CBD incredibly easy. This is only a short walk, but you can easily spend a good day wandering around here, soaking in the nature. I actually have another video that walks around on the foreshore, so check that one out if you want to see the water level. But for now, enough of me. Let's get into the walk.
definitely.
What a great place to finish looking back to the city. Walking that path, I could really feel the bush essence. I'd love to hear from you guys. Do you have a favourite secret green spot in the middle of a big city, or is there somewhere else in Sydney you think I should film next? Drop a comment below and let me know. I'd love to chat with you there. Don't forget to give a like if you made it this far, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please think about doing so. If you are in Sydney and you're a bit over the city, this is such a great place to just come and unwind. Until the next one, see ya.